Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock the grill in How to Fish. Once you've reached the third island in the game, you'll find yourself in a tropical island with a shop and a grill with an NPC right next to it. To unlock the grill, which allows you to cook fish and make them more valuable, you're going to have to defeat a shark first. To catch the shark, we first have to prepare ourselves with the right equipment. In this island you'll get a new gun, which is the Uzi SMG. I recommend buying this and upgrading it to its maximum damage. To earn money fast in this island, I highly recommend buying the Beginner Boss Lure. This will catch mini bosses that will be more manageable for this stage of the game. You can either catch sunfish with this or the old pike. If you want the value of the fish to reach even greater heights, make sure to beat the fish by doing trick shots. The more trick shots, the more value it will have. Once you've bought the SMG and upgraded it to its maximum level and prepared some food for healing beforehand, you're now ready to fight it. The lure you're going to be using to get the shark will be the standard boss lure. Just attach it to your fishing rod and then cast it. The only advice that I have for you in this fight is that always have trees in between you and the shark, because the shark is very fast and will jump at you when you least expect it. Just keep kiting it between trees and you'll have an easier time fighting against it. Once you've defeated it, you can then throw it to the man next to the grill and he'll light up the grill for you. And now you can cook your fish whenever you want and increase their value even more. And that's about it on how to unlock the grill in How to Fish.